2017, ETSI launched its implementation phase program for the nuns. This is a joint initiative of EMRI, the Department of Religion and Culture of the Central Tibetan Administration, and the Library of Tibetan Works and Archives. A total of 41 nuns from 5 nunneries have been participating in this program. Each summer, for 5 to 6 weeks, the nuns gather at Debungbasling Meditation and Science Center to learn math, physics, biology and neuroscience. In the last 2 years, we had to cancel our summer program because of the pandemic. We have resumed the intensive science education program this summer with the 4th year implementation course.
먼저 나주lumniwa chile shashawina ani jidani chiri jaya di pe khechimboda ani nenga chimbore samdo khasila namba sangi be chokora ani takjeda takjegi lamne yumjegi lamne chi khage dendu chigwe za ani chiri de ante da chachongboro jodi zamba chiri khaje jana le najula geje mado ani najegi gyen thoya da yana shinje thoya dindile negyen yong mare samgidoro ani ngarang gol chachonba inale chiri jandu chambala di 칼로르 베나 지신진 바이나레 간조다 데다 녀고 윤조게 통주 딘데 중소 아니 간조 군겹 셈고 라오라다 뉴주기 지된 창문로라 저기 제경체다 다단초라 디간래야 경윤 체리다 딘데 잔데 잠방한조 빈도 청부시도 섬다
아니 체링 롭센데서 지음네 창문베 안데거서 온조야 용토야 도레샤라 강치테네 아니 이네 디나네 따와이나 아니 단다 디 온조 데 온자 체릭디라 아니 this months nga donang dole su chitang kale khakbo do nyok sin chobo dole de ine digi ane ngonso migi ane sem kam da ane chowa da ane luigi da shige de la tewa insa ane onsa chendi di nga months donang do dila le su ane danda chitang zome desegi chedi jangwe de ane chitang hangsa ge chimbo de semgi dura ane kain sinan dinsa de ngi shi jibe nanglola ane chedi bogi hangsa 밀라 펜도 중화디당 아니 펜도 여버데 먼저 상마 시세레스 텐사 아니 먼저 낭베치기 원에 더와이나 아니 조아미 상매기 아니 디기다 셈비 시데다 류기 디기 상마 아니 줌벌라라 아니 가티에나 탑제 지신 바인자 아니 먼저 아니 초치니 아니 먼저 낭베 시엔데 비토니 아니 미기 아니 셈 시데다 디기 tum바다 아니 초시니 다와이나 아니 단다 체리 비토니 아니 먼저라 미세탑 되어 쳐와다 아니 트된 데서라라 아니 체리 비토니 아니 펜도 마보 중과 인상 아니 먼저 체리 자야디 아니 게춤 보시부선이도
Now this one there's basically no resistance, so the electrons would prefer to go this path. I joined this ETSI program in 2019. In 2019 I came in person and taught the monks the 4-year program, their 4-year, and then again in 2022 I came back to teach the same program, the same 4-year program for nuns. One thing really interesting about the teaching this particular program, both monks and nuns, is that they don't have any consequences for their part that is being said. They don't have to worry about their grade point average or their grade. Therefore, they are only here to learn, and then therefore the questions they ask, the way they react and relate to the material is really refreshing, especially as an instructor. It is refreshing to teach people who are there to learn just for the sake of learning.
Mukam Sri Tanki was Sri Chayus. Mukam Sri Chashawina, Mukam Sri Mansha, Until and Joy Basunsa, until at this Kabayura, this giant Tobashuk Chalid. And Kasaki was Sri Kansi and Kabarina, Jomon Sri, the Super Triptan Kortan, and the Super Nangi Chashi Triptan Kor, Basunsan, this occasion was to Tom Basunsan, Jomon like this.
I have been involved with the ETSI Nuns program since 2018, and really the whole experience has been such a joy. I've been able to be involved in multiple ways, both in the ETSI summer sessions and then also as a Fulbright Fellow in South India. I had the chance to go to a community science event that was organized by the nuns who have been learning science, and it was so fantastic to see the initiative and the leadership that they took to organize that event and to invite local school children and really create all these sort of exciting and engaging activities. And it fills me with hope and excitement for the future. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what we are able to do and learn and accomplish together in the years to come.
The nuns are doing wonderfully well and are very eager not only to learn science, but to find ways to connect scientific understanding with the Buddhist knowledge. We are very proud of their commitment and their hard work.